delicious. And it's very hot.
Oh, with pepper?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
My days. Wonderful. As you can see, the spinach is in there. Cheese, feta cheese. And this sauce here is very, very hot. Let me tell you. Yeah, I can hardly hold it up now, it's hot. Wonderful. Dip, and you know something? We're going to be ripping and dipping our food in a minute.
I'm going to taste it myself.
Are you going to taste it, Jen? Okay, fantastic. And this is in the dumplings. There we go. Open wide. Oh my God, Dartford Tunnel. Okay.
That tastes nice.
How's it taste, Jen? Is it nice?
That tastes nice.
Okay.
It's got a nice sort of sweetness to it as well.
I could tell by the sounds coming from over there. I could tell you're really enjoying it, Jen.
It's lovely.
It's nice, isn't it?
It's got some nice, you know what, it's got coconut in there as well.
Oh, is it?
It's got coconut shavings in it. Tastes really good. And coriander.
So you say, yep, they're doing well here.
Doing good.
Well, I tell you, man, I don't really eat street food, but this is street food cooking at its best. Wonderful.